In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert pictures into a Gmail email. This will help you enhance your emails, whether for business purposes or personal communication, by making them more visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and explore how to effortlessly add images to your Gmail messages. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the Compose button, usually located on the upper left side of your Gmail interface. Go ahead and click on it to start drafting a new email. Upon doing so, you'll see the familiar email composition window pop up in the lower right corner of your screen. At this stage, you may want to fill in the recipient's email address and add a subject for your email, but our main focus here will be inserting the picture. Now let's find the attachment options. Take a look at the bottom row of icons located at the bottom of the composition window. Among these icons, you'll spot a small image icon that represents Insert Photo. Click on it, and this will bring up the Add an Image dialog box. From here, you have multiple ways to add your pictures. You can upload an image directly from your computer by selecting Upload and then clicking on Choose Photos to upload. If you pick this option, a file dialog box will open, allowing you to browse through your folders. Simply find the image you wish to include in your email, select it, and hit Open. This instantly uploads and inserts your chosen picture into your email body at the cursor position. Alternatively, if your image is already available online or you're using Google Photos, you can make your selection accordingly. Navigate through the available tabs to select your photos, albums, or via web address (URL) if your image is hosted elsewhere online. After selecting your picture, use the Select button to insert it. After your image has been inserted, you can adjust its size if needed. Click on the image to see resizing options such as small, medium, large, or even its original size. This flexibility ensures the image fits well with your email content. As a pro tip, when you're including images in emails, keep an eye on the file size. Larger images will take longer to load and can be problematic for recipients with limited bandwidth. It's often a good practice to resize or compress images before uploading them. Finally, when you're ready, double-check your composed email for any corrections, and don't forget to make sure your message is clear and complete. Once satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Send button and voila! Your email with the inserted image is on its way to the recipient. And there you have it, adding pictures to your Gmail emails made easy. With these steps, you can enhance the visual appeal of your communication effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy